In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review GetResponse features. Let's start right from the homepage of GetResponse. Open your web browser and head over to the GetResponse website. Once the page loads, look along the very top of the screen for the main navigation menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Products. Hover your mouse over Products and wait for the drop-down menu to appear. From the list of options in that drop-down, click on All Features. This is the main hub where GetResponse groups and explains everything their platform can do. After you click All Features, the site will reload and take you to a dedicated features page. At the top of this page, you'll usually see an area that highlights key actions you can take. One of the most important options here is Book a Demo. If you're considering using GetResponse for your business or team, this is a useful way to see the platform in action. Clicking Book a Demo will guide you through scheduling a personalized walkthrough with their team, so you can ask specific questions and see how the features apply to your own use case. On this same page, you'll also notice a video that showcases GetResponse's main capabilities. This is worth watching if you want a quick visual overview before diving into the details. It can help you understand how the different tools connect, and it's a good starting point if you're new to email marketing or marketing automation. Now, scroll down the page to explore the features in more depth. You'll see that GetResponse organizes everything into clear categories. These might include AI-powered tools, email marketing, marketing automation, multi-channel engagement, landing pages, and more. Grouping the features this way makes it easier to focus on what matters to you, whether that's sending newsletters, building automated workflows, or running campaigns across multiple channels. Within each main category, you'll find subcategories that break things down even further. For example, under email marketing, you might see individual items for newsletters, autoresponders, or segmentation tools. This structure allows you to quickly identify which tools are relevant to your goals. Whenever you see a category or a specific subcategory that interests you, click on it. GetResponse will open a new page dedicated to that feature. On these pages, you can read detailed descriptions, see examples of how the feature works, and often find screenshots or visuals that make the concepts easier to grasp. Take your time going through these pages so you can get a clear sense of which features you'll actually use and how they fit into your overall marketing strategy.